All right, hello, welcome back. Today we're going to go over time expressions. When you're in SQL and you're writing queries, you can actually use a where clause to get results within a certain time range, or after a certain time range, or before a certain time range. So we're going to go through all of those queries and how you write those expressions right now. So let's say we have a simple expression: select all from database where, and then you would write the expression here. The way that time is written in SQL is as a date and a time, and the date is written like this: year first, so 2023, and then the month that you're looking for next will go with October, and then the date that you're looking for after that. If you would like to add a time to this, you can do that very easily just by writing in the hour, minute, and then second. So if it's 3:35 in the afternoon, you can type in 15:35 colon 5 seconds in. That's fine, and that will be your entire date time expression there, or section. So the way that you write this into your query is to just type it in where timestamp, or whatever your date time column is called, where timestamp is, you can choose greater than or equal to, or lesser than, or equal to. This depends on what you're looking for. Let's say that we were looking for the employees who started working after October 31st at 3:35 in the afternoon. The way that we would calculate that is by making it greater than or equal to this particular number. And that way, newer dates will be included. So let's see. So where timestamp is equal to single explanation, single mark to start off, 2023 10 31 15 35 05. Another single quote. And this will get you the results that you are looking for. Let's say instead you want to get everyone hired between October 31st and November 10th. You would write something similar. Let me just remove this. But you would use the between operator. So we're timestamp between 2023. I'm not going to write the exact minute and second anymore, but you could if you wanted to. 10:31 and 2023 11:10. And this will return everyone who was hired in between these two dates, and it is inclusive of these two dates. So if someone was hired on the 31st or on the 10th, they will be included in this query. All right, that's one second thing. The third thing I'll go through is using intervals. Intervals are very helpful. The way that the book teaches it is different from the way that it works on my database. I'll show you what works on my database, but you'll have to look around to find out what the appropriate way to refer to the present moment is in your version of SQL. So let's say I wanted to find all of the employees hired in the last 30 days. The way that I would do this on my database is you would do greater than or equal to refer to everything that comes after this date 30 days before. And then you would go current date, the current date. So you would either type in the current date. Today for me is December 17th. So I would type in 2023, 12/17, and then minus, because you are doing a algorithmic, you're doing math on dates. So 2023, December 17th, minus interval, single quote, 30 days. Single quote, end. And that's how you pull everyone who was hired starting from 30 days ago all the way till today. Now, the book says that you don't have to type in the actual date of today. You can just type in current date. But this didn't work for me on my version of SQL. I'm not sure why. The thing that works for me on my database, though, is if I type in this. So you'll have to play around to find out what works. One thing I will also add here is it doesn't have to just be 30 days. It can be a combination of years, 1 month, months, minutes, or hours, minutes, seconds. And this will work as well. So it's quite versatile in how you can find things. All right, and then the last thing I'll show you is timestamps. I guess we've already gone through it. The way you write timestamps is year, month, date, and then if you can also get more granular with hours, minutes, and seconds. And this is your timestamp. Thanks for watching.